is there anything special about the 15th of Sha'ban? Now, many scholars, the majority of scholars, said that most, if not all, the ahadith about the virtues of that night are either weak or fabricated. They said that there's no sahih hadith about the virtue of the night of the 15th night of Sha'ban. Some scholars have made just one hadith sahih or hasan, and that is the hadith that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, narrated by Abu Musa al-Ash'ari, Allah looks down on the night of the 15th of Sha'ban and forgive all his creation except two people, the mushrik and the one who have enmity towards other Muslims. Some scholars said that this hadith is hasan, but we all know that Allah descends every single night in the last third of the night. That is every night, not only in the night of Sha'ban, in a way that befits His Majesty. And He asked, who wants to be forgiven so I can forgive him? So, assuming that this hadith is authentic, we have to make sure that before that night comes, we are clean, we are have mended our relationships with the people that are close to us. What does that mean? Do not get into the middle of Sha'ban and you have enmity towards the people that are close to you, towards any other Muslim. You might have a problem with someone, just for the sake of Allah, just for the sake to be forgiven on that night. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May Allah bless me and you and give us the ability to witness the month of Ramadan. Allahumma ballighna Ramadan. You don't have to become best friends, but at least you have shown, you are the one who started the salam, and you send that message and you showed that person, I have no enmity towards you. I'm doing it for the sake of Allah. Maybe that person does not even deserve a salam, but for the sake of Allah, we are ready to give up anything. Okay, so the majority of the ulama said that there are no authentic hadith about that virtue of the 15th of Sha'ban, and some said that only this hadith. So there are no special qiyam on that night. That's for sure. No special qiyam on that night. There's no special fasting on that day. Some people single out the 15th of Sha'ban to fast.